a 30-page printout எடுத்து உங்கள் கையில் கொடுத்துட்டு இந்த whole lesson படின்னு சொன்னால் it can be so difficult, but not anymore. In this video, we'll be seeing smart ways to learn those 30 pages in a very easy way. So, let's find out what those techniques are, and without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome my dear friends to this particular episode of Study Smart. In this we are going to see how to cover 30 pages in an easy way. 30 pages illa 30 pages, 50 pages, whatever may be the pages, it's going to be easy. So adu eppadi pananum? So whatever may be the content of that lesson, pinadi poi paathona there are a lot of questions which are asked. So andha madri paakarche 2 marks, 3 marks or general short answers irukku, long answers irukku, objective answers irukku. So the best way to cover a lengthy lesson would be not to read the lesson first, but to go back to the end of the lesson and see what those questions are. So in the questions படிக்கிறதுக்கு ஏதாவது order இருக்கா? So let me share with you that also. Lesson. First எதை படிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா நம்ம மைண்ட் அலர்ட்டாக இருக்கிற சமயத்தில் the 2 marks, 3 marks or in other words the short answers. இதை ஏன் படிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அந்த 2 marks, 3 marksல வந்து 2 points இருந்தால் கூட அதை பர்ஃபெக்டாக நம்ம எழுதணும். Means we can't write some stories in that. So begin your learning process by learning the short answers very well. Yes! இப்போ அந்த ஷார்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there will be some definitions. அந்த definitions படிக்கிறச்சு you have to give your 100% focus and learn it thoroughly. அதை நீங்கள் படித்து முடிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் you have to revise. நீங்கள் ஒரு தடவை சொல்லி பார்க்கலாம். Some derivations could be there, some small problems could be there. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா அதை சொல்ல முடியாது. You can't obviously say it. So you have to practice doing it. So the first segment of your study should be to focus and read thoroughly the short answers. The second thing that you have to attempt is the detailed answer or the long answers.
வாய்ப்பில்லை ராஜா.
ஸோ இந்த லாங் ஆன்சர் படிக்கிறச்சே உங்களுக்கு வந்து நிறைய பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். மீன்ஸ் டிபெண்டிங் ஆன் த சப்ஜெக்ட் இட் வில் பி லைக் 5 மார்க்ஸ்னால் சில சமயம் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் 5 to 7 பாயிண்ட்ஸ். இப்போ 8 மார்க் ஆன்சர்ஸ்னால் 8 to 10 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் அது எழுதணும். ஸோ திஸ் வில் இன்வால்வ் அ லாட் ஆஃப் கான்செப்ட்ஸ். தெல் பி சம் டெரிவேஷன்ஸ் ஆர் தெல் பி அ லாட் ஆஃப் டைம் லைன். A list of activities and points which you have to cover in this. So in this, maybe they will not see the entire answer from A to Z. Number 2 marks படிக்கிறச்சே they will see each and every word. But here it is very important for you to highlight the important phrases in that or the important points and write that one page. So this will be the second one that you read in that particular lesson. The third thing that you have to read is obviously the objectives. So most of the lesson is already covered in this 2 marks, 3 marks and in the detail. So when you read the objectives now, mostly you will be able to answer all the objectives that are given behind the book. So reading the 2 marks, 3 marks and a detailed answer will help you to solve all the objectives, or if you don't know anything, it's just one word that you have to read now. At the fag end of your studies, this will be the best thing for you to read. The last and final thing என்னன்னா once you've covered the 2 marks, 3 marks, actually இந்த 2 marks, 3 marksல கூட 5 marksல வரும். இந்த மூணுத்தையும் கவர் பண்ணா you out of the 30 page lesson that we started with, almost 25 pages will be over. Remaining 5 pages தான். ஆனா இந்த 5 pagesையும் go through பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஏன்னா there will be some things like do you know, or there will be the summary at the end of the lesson, or in the book itself they will have highlighted in different color they will be giving, illana bold lettersla kuduthirupanga. So idella padichu mudichadukku appuram when you go back to that 30 page and go through, பாதி இல்லை 90% உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். மிச்சம் இருக்கிற அந்த 5 pages you have to go through, but that is really important if you want to score above 98, because and the small points which are left out illa adella kuda neenga padikka mudiyum, and when you go through the lesson it will be like a revision of what you have learned already. order நீங்க follow பண்ணீங்கனா your studying process will be very simple, very easy, and at the same time you would have completed the task that was given to you, that is reading the 30 pages without any strain. So follow these techniques and I'm sure every nook and corner, every word in the book you would have memorized by the end of this session. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and give in the comments below how effective this order of studying was for you. And finally, if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, because here we are going to find smart ways of reading and not tough ways to study. Enjoy this learning process, my dear friends. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.